Joining me now is Dr. James Porcelli from Conviva Care Center to talk about the importance of vaccinations for seniors. So welcome to the show.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Let's talk about why it's necessary for seniors to be regularly vaccinated.
Well, that's a good point because as we age, immunity decreases, patients develop chronic medical illnesses, and makes vaccinations that they might have had before less effective. A lot of times they need to get booster shots or a new vaccine that wasn't available when they were younger.
So what if a senior, though, is hesitant to get vaccinated because of their current state of health?
Well, adverse reactions to vaccines are statistically rare, but everyone's health is unique. And I advise patients to discuss their vaccination requirements with their primary care doctor. Their doctor will be able to provide them with a overview of what's recommended and what would be safe for them.
Well, sometimes we hear some myths, right, around this. Are there any vaccine-related myths that older adults should be aware of?
Well, when it comes to vaccinations, it is important for seniors to separate fact from fiction. Patients need to be well informed. At Conviva, we address their vaccination concerns and questions. We tell them that they might have had some vaccinations as a child, but unfortunately, vaccines do wear off over time. Some patients need booster vaccinations. And also, like I said earlier, there are newer vaccinations like the COVID-19 vaccination that were not available earlier.
Right. So we're not just talking about the COVID vaccine. We're talking about vaccines in general.
Oh, yes. And some seniors require vaccinations as they do age, like pneumonia vaccinations recommended for patients age 65 and older. And now we have a new booster pneumonia vaccination as well that's available for patients 65 and older. There's also the shingles vaccination that's recommended for seniors as well. That's a 2-shot vaccination series.
Well, thank you so much for informing us today.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for having me. Happy to be here. Thank you.
Of course. And if you'd like to see this segment again, just head to our website, firstcoastliving.net.
You're invited to Conviva's upcoming open house. To learn more, call 904-560-8336.